So welcome back to my channel Way to Merchant Navy guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. So first of all I want to tell you there might be some problem in sound today because I don't have the microphone right now with me. So please manage for today. So today is the last video uh, regarding the ILA voice system. Hopefully I'll try to finish it up these 4 things. Video might get a little long, but let's finish it up today. Okay, so now what is isolated danger mark? We'll study it first, that what is isolated danger mark. Okay, before that, on firm reminder, if you want to get study materials regarding anything ETO, GME and all the entrance examination for your respective company, CBT test, whatever it is, all the links mentioned in the down below, please go and check the link from that so you can get your study material. Understood? Okay, okay, so isolated danger mark. First thing I have to want to tell you that which thing you have to follow, that what is isolated danger mark, what is the use. Especially it has been used to determine or give you an indication that there is something wreck, shoal or something like that. Okay, so an isolated danger mark is erected on or moved on or above an isolated danger limited extent which has navigable water around all around it. Means suppose if you see this boy, here, isolated danger mark, so maybe this area is non-navigable, but you can alter large alteration to avoid this area. Okay, it is moved. So that is the use of the isolated danger mark. Now we'll talk about the color, day shape, everything. So color will be like that: black with one or more horizontal red band. The top mark will be 2 black spear. Okay, so now here is the color: black with one or more horizontal red band, shape pillar or spar. Light is for that is white light, proof flashing 2. Okay, and rhythm, that is rhythm. Top mark black double spear will be the top mark by day, a very important feature of isolated danger mark, and whenever practical this top mark will be carried with spears as large as possible, disposed vertically and clearly separated. Okay, so that is the thing, isolated danger mark. Now move to the safe water mark. Safe water mark basically indicate, this is the use of the safe water mark, basically indicate that the water around this is navigable. Okay, so safe water mark used to indicate there is a navigable water all around the mark. Such mark may be used as center line, mid channel, landfall buoy to indicate the best point or passage under the fixed bridge. This is 2 questions might be asked by the surveyor, that what is a fairway buoy? Sorry, 1 minute. What is the fairway buoy? So this is known as the fairway buoy because it is placed on the mid channel. So, okay, to give you an example or give you the safe passage, that in the channel that is the safe passage. Understood the point? Now we'll talk regarding the light first, then we'll come to the shape and all. Light is isophase, occulting or long flashing, or Morse code A, and this light will be for the 10 seconds. Understood? Again I'm telling, isophase or occulting or long flashing, any of this one for every 10 seconds. Okay, what is isophase? Let's discuss this thing also. Isophase means where the darkness and the light, means the period of darkness and the period of light is equal. Okay, suppose 2 plus 2 means 2 seconds of light and 2 seconds of darkness, that is known as isophase. What is occulting? Occulting means the light period will be more than the darkness period. Suppose 3 plus 1, just an example. Okay, 3 seconds for light, 1 second for darkness. Now next is a long flashing for 10 seconds. So there will be long flashing 1, then there will be 10-second gap, darkness, then again long flashing. Understood? 4 to 6 seconds. Morse code A. What is that? Dida. one did dark, one short flash, then another long flash, then darkness, then again the same will be continued. Color is red and white vertical stripes used for safe water mark and distinguish them from the black banded danger marks. Okay, so these three shapes, one red sphere, spherical, pillar, spar, anything, top mark, single red sphere top mark will be carried whenever practicable. Okay, light already I have told you. So use I have told you. So okay, now we'll come to the special mark. What is special mark? Special mark is used to indicate the mariner's special area or feature nature which apparent from the reference to a chart, sailing direction, notices to mariner. Suppose something has been came to the notice to mariner that one rake is found. It can be also used as a rake. Okay, isolated also, special mark also, no problem. So suppose this has been came into this notice to mariner, then to indicate we can use this special mark. Special mark we can use anywhere. I will tell you the examples. Okay, let's study about the ODAS buoy. This is a MMD question. Okay, ODAS. What is ODAS? They might ask. ODAS means Ocean Data Acquisition System. Okay, this gives the buoys carrying oceanographic and meteorological sensors. In my word, you can say it gives some prediction like weather prediction, rate and current of the speed of the current, rate and direction of the current. Apart from that, the wind predictions, the weather prediction, all this can be done by the ODAS buoy. This has been fitted on sea and it will give the information. Okay, so now apart from this, we can use the safe water mark like traffic separation mark. Okay, wide use of conventional channel marking might cause confusion, though many schemes marked by the lateral mark and the safe water mark. Suppose there is a channel. Okay, maybe just an example, this channel is for only CBD, is constant by head draft. Rule number 3 you read, you will find what is constant by head draft. Okay, so means constant by head draft, let me tell you. Okay, we are discussing, we'll discuss in brief only. Constant by head draft means due to the draft in relation to the depth and width of the water, a vessel is severely restricted to deviate from her course she is following. Means the draft is so much because of the width and the depth of the water, vessel cannot deviate from her course which she is following. If she deviate, there might be a chance of grounding. So that is known as CBD. So suppose this is a special for CBD. So a buoy can be placed like that, indication that this is for the CBD channel. So that is the thing. Okay, spoil ground, military exercise, cable pipeline marks including outfall pipes, recreation zone marks. So for this purpose, you can read and remember this thing. For this purpose, the special mark is used. Okay, color is yellow, mark will be the X, and shape can be anything which might not or maybe not conflicted with another buoy. Okay, so this all shapes can be done. Light is there. Okay, light you can see, when light exhibited yellow rhythm may be any other than those used white light, cardinal, isolated, danger, safer following are permitted. Example: group occulting, single flashing, group flashing with a group of 4, 5, exceptionally 6 flashes, composite group flashing, Morse code letter other than Morse code A, D, U. Okay, the ODAS buoys rhythm, group flashing with group flashes every 20 seconds. So these are the permitted. You can do it anything. Retro reflector, one yellow band. Okay, and X symbol. Now the most important and very special for the MMD. This is special for MMD because most of them are not used to this emergency rake buoy or marking buoy. This is known as the emergency marking. Okay, so why you are using this? If you want to use, you can read this portion, full portion, but in my word I will tell you. Suppose one notice to mariner has been introduced. Okay, but it not been promulgated. Promulgated means not, what you can say, not in force basically. That means the promulgated. Okay, not been promulgated. That time you can use this buoy. So after complete survey of the rake and that thing, anything it can be, until unless complete survey has been done, so you cannot remove that buoy until and unless that has been done. So that is the thing. Okay, so shapes is that yellow and blue vertical stripes, 4 is the minimum, 8 is the maximum. Then one cross, you can say Christ cross or something like that. Light will be blue for 1 second, then 0.5 second gap, then again yellow, and it will be repeated. So total it will be 3 second of interval. Understood? So that is the thing. Again 0.5. So 3 second. That is the light. And Morse code D, use this portion, you please read by yourself. And from this portion there will be a question from by MMD, that how will you determine this emergency rake buoy in restricted visibility. You can answer to survey that sir, it has been fitted with a Raycon, okay, not Rockon, spelling is Raycon, it is called Raycon Morse D, or an AIS transponder. So easily you can pick this buoy from your radar. So you'll get a bearing, okay, so you'll get a bearing and also range and bearing. Raycon means what? Raycon means radio beacon, okay. So from a radio beacon you can get a range and a bearing also. What is Ramak? Maybe out of topic, okay. Still I want to tell you that Raycon is different. Raycon means radio beacon. Ramak means radio marker. In case of Ramak, you will get only the bearing, you will not get the range. So that is the difference between Ramak and Raycon. This is also another question. So that is it for today. I think understood this all 4. Okay, quickly I got through this thing. But if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.